I'm in Russell, Texas. Small blizzard. I had to pull over because my windshield was getting iced over, and I have the heater full blast, and I couldn't see anymore, so I thought it would be safer if I just pulled over. Looks like there's a whole bunch of semi-trucks in here, like sardines. We're in the car area. Oh, well, there goes the power for a minute. The power almost went out at the rest stop that we're at. Oh, it's out. The snow is accumulating on the ground. We're in the car area, but it is like crazy. Like everybody's in here. Like there's so many people in here. No cars, of course, but isn't that just crazy? And the power just went out. Oh, I hear something beeping. I bet that's the power to the rest stop. It just went out. But Russell, Kansas, and I'm headed to Colorado, but I had to pull over because the storm was coming down like crazy, and I mean, it's accumulating on the ground already. It wasn't when I stopped, but as you can see, it's coming down with a fury. So it's now accumulating on the ground. I heard I-70 is shut down all the way to Kobe, I think. I'm not sure. And I'm not taking a little farmer's road in this because they don't get plowed till the end, and I'm not getting stuck. So I'm waiting for I-70 to reopen, and then I will head back on there. But trucker life, it's difficult sometimes. Alright, be safe out there.